Hello Jenny and Michael, this is Austin here in North Dallas at 12 Robledo, doing a little home tour for you. The photos are all online, but I just wanted to do a little video for you. I just love the walls in here.
You do have one butler's pantry here, and there's another butler's area from the dining room into the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
So there's great storage in the kitchen.
Yeah, absolutely.
Laundry room. And then access to your 2-car garage.
I love it. You can't even tell it's brick. I mean, unless you look at it.
These floors.
Yeah. It is really hard to do.
And then your 1-car garage is straight ahead, so a total of 3 cars.
Yeah. I love the amount of parking that they have.
It's wonderful because it's guard gated and it's very, very secure. That was something that these clients liked about it because they do not live in Dallas full time. They're really rarely here.
Oh, awesome.
So probably less than 25 houses total. They all have nice lot sizes and they were all developed around the same time. So let's just say like probably started in the early 2000s. Well, late 90s, early 2000s.
Awesome. This is a really pretty room.
Yes. So most people, I think, would use this as more of a family TV watching room.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they have 2.
You have the bar and then the kitchen beyond.
Awesome. Okay.
So this is the primary bedroom. It has a fireplace. I think there are a total of 5 fireplaces in the house.
Awesome. Now that's a bathroom.
Yes.
It's a lot of mirrors.
Yes. It's a vanity area and then the closet. So the woman who built it originally was in her 80s and just had a ton of clothes. And so for her, this worked out great. And for my clients who don't live here full time, they just think it's like the most fun. So this is where the elevator comes up. Texas, but it's still beautiful out. Kind of get a feel for the neighborhood here.